Camera systems co-developed with Hasselblad, ultra-smooth 120Hz displays, and a day's power in 15 minutes. The OnePlus 9 5G series delivers next-level 5G smartphone experiences on T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. The OnePlus 9 5G series has an all-new camera system co-developed with the world-renowned camera experts from Hasselblad. The OnePlus 9 5G features a triple camera with a 48-megapixel main camera and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide. The OnePlus 9 Pro 5G takes it up a level with a quad camera including the main camera, the ultra-wide camera, and it adds an 8-megapixel telephoto camera with 3.3x optical zoom. And both models offer Pro Mode, which gives you 12-bit RAW support so you can craft unforgettable scenes, along with other innovative features like Nightscape and Tilt Shift. And the collaboration with Hasselblad will help your photos look more natural and have better color accuracy. But if video is more your style, you can record your experiences with the OnePlus 9 5G series in 4K HDR. And both models record in 8K video. That's right, 8K video at 30 frames per second. All of your photos and videos will look beautiful on the OnePlus 9 5G series 120Hz fluid displays, delivering an immersive visual experience and ultra-smooth scrolling. The OnePlus 9 5G gives you a 6.55-inch AMOLED display that will bring your favorite content to life. And the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G integrates major innovations in a QHD Plus 6.7-inch dynamic display. This striking clarity, matched with the most powerful Snapdragon platform ever, make the OnePlus 9 5G series as fast and smooth as they are stunning. With large 4,500 mAh battery and warp charge 65T fast charging in both models, you'll get a day's power in just 15 minutes of charging. And for the first time ever, wireless charging is available in both models. And the best part of all, the OnePlus 9 5G series is on T-Mobile, America's largest and fastest 5G network. The OnePlus 9 5G is available in Winter Mist and Astral Black. And the OnePlus 9 Pro 5G comes in Morning Mist. These stunning flagship devices are even water resistant with an IP68 certification. Inside the box, you'll find the Warp Charge 65T fast charger and charging cable, T-Mobile SIM card, and of course, your OnePlus 9 5G series smartphone. Blending creativity and premium materials into a beautiful design, the OnePlus 9 5G series delivers everything you need for an exceptional smartphone experience. They're available at T-Mobile, the leader in 5G. You can check them out at your favorite T-Mobile store and online at tmobile.com. I'm Des for T-Mobile. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.